How to enable or disable wake up Bixby on Samsung even when media is playing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, click on Bixby. After click on Bixby, click on voice registration. After click on voice registration, you will see wake up when media is playing is here. If you want to enable wake up media, wake up when media is playing, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see wake up when media is playing is enabled. If you want to disable wake up when media is playing, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see wake up when media is playing is disabled. You will enable or disable wake up when media is playing from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable wake up Bixby even when media is playing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.